Hello guys, I will show you a macrame tie, how to make this with this model. I will show you a little bit. Firstly, take this yarn up like that way, up, and take this yarn down like that way, and I will wrap on this yarn and hold tight this yarn and not leave any, and tie like that way and pull this two yarn like that way, and one more time, and pull this yarn like that way, two yarn, and take this yarn and this yarn up and don't leave this yarn. Again I will tie this yarn and pull one and two, pull this yarn and this yarn don't leave, and up like that way, and down this yarn and tying here like that way, and tight here, one tie and two tie, pull this yarn like that way, don't leave this yarn, and take up like that way, and left hand I am taking, and this yarn down, and here turning like that way, tie one, pull this yarn and don't leave this yarn, and hold tight, and one more time, tie here like that way, wrapping this yarn on this yarn, and take this yarn down and don't leave this yarn, and tie one and two, turn, don't leave this yarn, and take right hand and up, and I will tie this yarn on this yarn and tie like that way, hold tight and pull this yarn, and one more time, tie, take this yarn down and tie here, pull this yarn one and two, it here little and turning like that way up. I am taking this yarn up and left hand and taking this yarn down and tie here. One and two, pull this yarn and take this yarn, left hand, don't leave this yarn, and tie on it like that way. Pull this yarn, two yarn, and that's all here, and take this yarn and join here. I will join here. Don't leave this yarn, don't leave this yarn, and tie. Tie it here, pull this yarn, and one more time I am tying here and wrapping this yarn here. And that's all. Here, I'll check now. If you don't want this space, you do tight here very hardly and tightly pull here, and that's all. That's all. Thank you for watching.